Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Judge Kassan. Thank you for joining. This is the 3 p.m. docket on September 9th, 2021 for the City of Olmos Park Municipal Court. Again, welcome and thank you all for joining. I am going to call the docket here in a few minutes. So if you're present, please take yourself off of mute and let me know that you're here, or if you're on video, you can wave to me as well. All right. We are currently live streaming on YouTube, and that's in order to comply with the open courts provision of the Constitution. Just wanted to make everyone aware of that. Let's get started with the docket. We have Jose Alonso Jr. Jose Alonso Jr. Nicole Marie Bautista. Nicole Marie Bautista. Clarissa Beltran. Clarissa Beltran. Krista Brenning. Krista Brenning. Oscar Carrion. Oscar Carrion. Laura Trevino Cruz. Laura Trevino Cruz. Christopher Elizondo. Christopher Elizondo. Eric Faz. Eric Faz. Thank you, sir. John Flores Jr. John Flores Jr. Patrick Garcia.
Right here.
Thank you, sir. John Garza. John Garza. Carlton James. Carlton James. Thank you. Michaela Johnston.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you. Amanda Millett. Amanda Millett.
Counsel for the defendant.
Okay, thank you. Cole Mitchell. Cole Mitchell. Kevin Moore.
I'm here, ma'am.
Thank you. Lugard Onyendi. I see he's trying to connect. Paul Orozco. Paul Orozco. Alexa Perez. Alexa Perez. Lynette Perez. Lynette Perez. Nathan Perez. Thank you, sir. Mandy Ramirez. Mandy Ramirez. Israel Rodriguez. Israel Rodriguez. Juan Romero. Juan Romero. Santos Salinas. Santos Salinas. Bradley Sykes. I see you there.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you. Trinity Warnke. Thank you. Dariela Zendejas. Dariela Zendejas. Okay. Okay, Mr. Is it Mickelbus?
Michael Buss, yes, Your Honor.
Michael Bus, my apologies.
No problem.
All right, so you're here for Amanda Millett, is that correct?
Yes, yes, Judge.
Okay, so she had a failure to maintain financial responsibility. She was on a deferral. The only thing we were missing, she's paid up. So the only thing we were missing was the insurance verification. Do you have that to provide to the court?
I've already provided it to the clerk via email.
Okay.
And they were supposed to let me know if it was going to be sufficient. They had sent me an example of ones you've accepted in the past, and the one that I received from my client, seemed informed to be about the same. So.
Okay, let me just check that very quickly here.
I'm gonna drop it right now into the Dropbox. It was in the other email.
Okay, I'm looking at something. I'm looking at a letter from Geico, is that correct?
Yes, yes, Judge.
Okay. All right, very good. That is sufficient. We will go ahead and close that case out.
All right, great. Thank you, Judge Kassan.
All right. You're excused. Thank you for joining.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I was having difficulties connecting earlier, and I just wanted to say that I'm here. Lou
Yes,
Garnett.
I saw your screen name, so thank you. I've noted you're present. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So let's see, Mr. Eric Foss,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you today?
Good.
Good, let's see here. Driving while license suspended, let's see. You do have a balance due of 193. Are you able to pay that?
I think I can pay half right now. I get paid tomorrow.
Okay. Why don't you, you can pay the full amount tomorrow or?
Well, yeah, I mean, if that's possible. I mean, I
Sure.
don't know how you guys.
Sure, absolutely. So the full amount will be due tomorrow, the 10th. And just either contact the court and make that payment with them over the phone, or you can stop by in person and make that payment with them.
Okay.
Okay, so again, the balance owed is 193.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, upon payment of that balance, the case will be closed out. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, next up, Patrick Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you doing, sir?
Doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm doing well, thanks. It looks like you missed your August payment and your September payment. So there's a balance of 100. Let me see here. Is it 120, Myra, or 180?
180, Judge.
Okay, so a total of 180 that's due and owing. Are you able to make a payment on that?
Yes, I am. I just won't be able to do the 180, but I am able to make a payment. I got this letter in the mail, and I was told if I missed a second payment, I was having a court date, not one. So I wanted to make sure everything was still in order, and I didn't end up overpaying or having to pay more before I
Okay,
did
sure.
it.
Can you make a payment tomorrow of at least
Yes.
part of that?
Yes, I can do about 120 tomorrow.
Okay, fantastic. So 120 tomorrow, the 10th. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, that'll get you back on track, and then that other payment will be the $60. That's the balance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're free to go. Thank you. All right, bye-bye. All right, next up, Carlton James. Hi, sir, you're on mute.
Hi, how are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good. Let's see here.
A little new
It
to
looks
this.
like your balance is 0. So we were only pending that we needed the verification of insurance coverage. Had you provided that already?
I had provided 2 of them. They said that the first one with Root was not the right one, but the thing with it was Root is a mobile insurance, so they had dropped me 2 months within my policy, so I had to get another. I wound up getting another policy through La Familia.
Okay. All right. And do I have that here? Have you submitted copies of that or not yet?
I sent insurance cards, but I'm not sure if that was the right things I was supposed to send.
Okay, let's see here. Valerie, do we have that on file? I'm not seeing it in my file here, but
No, I can drop he just sent the insurance card like he said. I can
okay.
drop that one in there from Root.
We have a copy in the file when he was first placed on the deferral, Judge, but no other coverage provided.
Nothing since then. Okay, and what
Correct.
you said you now have La Familia, sir?
Yes, I recently sent that one also with the email.
Okay, so that would have been received by email. Okay, so how many months of coverage were you with Root?
It was from January 25th, and they dropped me March 15th.
Okay, so almost 2 months, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Then through that period, I was going through a financial hardship, trying to find another policy that was fitting me and dealing with other things as far as COVID-19. And then I wound up getting my policy with La Familia in May.
In May. And you've had it with them since then?
Yes, ma'am. I currently have it.
It's current today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Any luck with that on the email, Valerie, or no?
Yes, I did put a screenshot of La Familia.
Okay, let's see here. Okay. And are you paid through November, sir, or is this a monthly?
It's monthly.
Okay. Okay. And do you, okay, let's see here. And do you have anything else from them indicating your coverage period other than the screenshot?
As far as like physical paper, no, but I could send like my ID card also from them.
Yes, if you could do that, that would be
Okay.
helpful.
I have it pulled up right now, so it'll be quick to get.
Okay. Send that as well, and if it checks out, we'll go ahead and close it out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll go ahead and accept both the initial insurance and then this one that you've recently gotten through La Familia, okay? So make sure you send this so we can verify coverage, and then you will be all paid up, okay? Okay. Next up, Michaela Johnston.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. It looks like we're missing your driving safety course certificate. Were you able to get that completed?
Yes, so I actually sent it in June 10th, and I have a screenshot that I sent it. So I don't know why I got another letter to come to court again.
Okay, you sent it by email?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I need to resend it or?
Let me see here. Do we have that, Valerie or Myra?
I'm looking it up, Judge.
Okay. And you sent that, you said by email, is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
It was probably in the mail, Judge, because I'm showing it was closed on September 2nd.
Okay, so it's all closed up now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Johnson, it's closed. It's completed, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, you're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right. Kevin Moore,
Yes, Judge.
how are you doing, sir?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you. It looks like you missed a $72 payment.
For what month was that for? For August?
I'm showing that's the balance it's owed, so.
Yeah, I didn't work at all last month, so
Okay.
I did miss the payment, but now that I'm working and everything's going great, so I'll be able to make that last payment if you can give me a date after the 10th of, sometime in October,
Okay,
and I can go ahead and pay that, and I think I will be done, correct?
yes, that will be it. That was the last amount that's owing is a total of 72. Could you pay that by October 14th?
Oh, yeah, most definitely.
All right, very good. So we'll put you down October 14th for final payment of $72.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right, you're very welcome. Good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Thank you. You as well.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
All right, let's see here. Lugard Onyendi.
Hi, good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Let's see here. You had an extension from last time when we spoke, and you were going to be added as a driver, and then you were going to provide some proof of insurance for 6 months. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And are you able to do that?
No, ma'am. The insurance company would not let me prepay until October 1st. So I'm on insurance as a driver from September to November. And
Okay.
I sent a receipt for that. They wouldn't let me do 6 months. I really tried to convince them. I also tried to get my own policy, but they would not grant me coverage in time for this hearing. They had to do their own due diligence into my previous driver history that wouldn't have allowed them to get me a new policy in time.
Okay. All right. So let's see. So you have at least 2 months that you are covered. Is that
3 months,
correct?
yes, ma'am. 3 months prepaid, yes, ma'am.
Did you have any coverage prior to that?
Uh,
Any just refresh my memory. Had you had any insurance coverage before then?
Oh, so originally, the car that the incident happened with was covered, but I wasn't added as a driver because I misunderstood the terms. And so the new condition was prepay 6 months, but that wasn't possible, unfortunately.
All right, so you at least have 2 months right now. And then are you able to, you have provided proof of that to the court already?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
All right.
And it's actually 3, September, October, and November.
Oh, okay, let me check that right now. Okay. All right, do you have anything else from them other than screenshots?
No, ma'am. But no, ma'am. But I did send a number that you can call to verify all of this.
Okay. Oh wait, I see. I see an insurance card. Just the quality is not very good on my computer. Let's see.
Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. Valerie, the copy you have, is that clear? on your end?
Yeah, it's very it's too small. We tried to zoom into it and you couldn't see anything.
So you can't see it either?
No, ma'am.
Okay. But there is a number that we can call and verify?
Yes, ma'am. I sent one in the email that I sent to the court yesterday.
All right, so it's September, October, and November. Is that what you're saying, sir?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and accept that as proof of coverage. If there is an issue, we're going to call to verify. If there's any issue, we will let you know and have you back for a hearing. But if not, we will go ahead and close it out, okay?
Thank you so much. And I will resend that and hopefully it won't be as grainy.
Yes, if you could, that would be great because we are having some trouble zooming in and out and it's not very clear at all.
Okay, I'll fix that. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too. Take
All
care.
right, bye-bye.
Hi, Judge. My apologies. This is Carlton. I was calling in just to apologize about the exiting out. I was trying to go to my screen, my insurance, to email it to you guys. I did want to call back and apologize about how I just left.
Okay, yeah, we thought we lost you there for a second, but that's fine. If you want to go ahead and send that and then we'll verify coverage and you should be free to go, okay?
Thank you so much. You have your great day.
All right, you do the same. Thanks again. Thanks for calling back.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Okay, next up, Nathan Bettis.
Hello, good
Hi
afternoon.
there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Let's see here. Your driving safety course certificate, did you get that done?
Yes, ma'am, I emailed it.
Oh, you did, okay. Recently?
Yeah, I got it in yesterday and then I re-emailed it today.
All right. Is that in the drop, Valerie? Or-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Okay, very good. So if you could just send in, sign it and send it in, that'd be great.
Okay, yes, ma'am, I will.
All right, and that's all we needed. You're good to go.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. Take care. Okay, Bradley Sykes,
Yes, ma'am.
how's it going?
Good. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Let's see here. It looks like we were missing your driving safety course certificate and your driving record, but I believe you emailed that to us. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. I misread my like little site thing. I thought they were going to send it to you automatically, and so I
Okay.
didn't send it, but it's in now. Yes, ma'am.
All right, let me see that right now. Let's see here. Okay. All right, very good. It all checks out. We're going to close out the case.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great
All
day.
right, you do the same. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.
Bye.
All right, Trinity Warnke.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi there. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Let's see here. We were pending your driving safety course certificate and your driving record as well. Were you able to get those things submitted?
Yes, ma'am. I submitted the driving safety course on 8/13, and I also resubmitted it yesterday.
Okay.
And I also took in copies yesterday.
All right, I'm looking at it now. Let's see here. I see. Okay. And the driving record. Okay, it all checks out. All right, we're going to go ahead and close out that case. You're free to go.
Thank you so much.
All right. Y'all have a good day. Thank you again. Bye-bye now. Anybody else in the waiting room?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll call it one more time. Let's see. Jose Alonso Jr., Jose Alonso Jr., Nicole Marie Bautista, Nicole Marie Bautista, Clarissa Beltran, Clarissa Beltran, Krista Brenning, Krista Brenning, Oscar Carrion, Oscar Carrion, Laura Trevino Cruz.
Oh, she
Laura,
paid. She
She
paid.
did?
Yeah, she paid her NSF fee and everything.
Okay. Christopher Elizondo, Christopher Elizondo. John Flores Jr., John Flores Jr., John Garza, John Garza, Cole Mitchell, Cole Mitchell, Paul Orozco, Paul Orozco, Alexa Perez, Alexa Perez, Lynette Perez, Lynette Perez.
You paid too.
Paid. Okay, thank you. Mandy Ramirez, Mandy Ramirez. Israel Rodriguez, Israel Rodriguez. Juan Romero, Juan Romero. Santos Salinas, Santos Salinas. And Dariela Zendejas, Dariela Zendejas. That concludes the 3 p.m. docket.
Valerie, for
Yes.
Cruz, she had the another violation for issuance of the bad check. Did she pay that one?
Oh no, she just did
had-
the NSF.
Yeah. She had an NSF since July, Judge, and we sent her notices. So we issued that issuance of a bad check. She's scheduled for today for court.
Okay, that was an initial appearance.
Yes.
Send her another notice on that one.
Okay.
Please.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Everyone else good?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
Cole tries to send us anything, is he just paying out his fine?
Call, I'll accept any other hours between now and October 14th, or
Okay.
he can pay $112 balance. I'll accept the 3 hours.
So it's $112 if he doesn't have the rest?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think we're good.
Okay.
Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.